Forget everyday Ferraris. Today, we are stepping into the ultra-exclusive world of billionaires to reveal the top 5 most ridiculously expensive cars on the planet. Stick around until the end, because the number 1 car has a mind-blowing feature you won't believe exists. Number 5, Bugatti Tourbillon. Kicking off at number 5 is the brand new Bugatti Tourbillon, priced at a staggering $4.6 million. This 1,800 horsepower hybrid monster does 0 to 60 in just 2.0 seconds. The craziest part? Its dashboard is built by Swiss watchmakers using real titanium, sapphires, and rubies. It's literally a multi-million-dollar watch you can drive. Number 4, Pagani Zonda HP Barchetta. At number 4 is a sci-fi masterpiece, the Pagani Zonda HP Barchetta, valued at a jaw-dropping $17.5 million. Only 3 were ever built. Powered by a screaming V12 engine, this insane car has absolutely no roof and a chopped windshield for a super aggressive look. Number 3, Bugatti La Voiture Noire. Breaking into the top 3 is a true one-of-one masterpiece, the Bugatti La Voiture Noire, costing a monumental $18.7 million. This black car packs a 1,500 horsepower W16 engine and features 6 massive exhaust pipes at the back. Number 2, Rolls-Royce Boat Tail. At number 2, the Rolls-Royce Boat Tail redefines luxury. For $28 million, you get a literal super yacht on wheels. Press a button, and the rear deck opens like butterfly wings to reveal a hosting suite with a sun umbrella, rotating tables, and a champagne fridge. Rumor has it Jay-Z and Beyoncé own one. Number 1, Rolls-Royce La Rose Noire Droptail. Taking the crown at number 1 is the Rolls-Royce La Rose Noire Droptail. At over $32 million, it's the most expensive new car on the planet. But here's the mind-blowing feature I promised. The dashboard holds a custom Audemars Piguet luxury watch. With the push of a button, you can detach this timepiece, strap it to your wrist, and walk away. That is a level of flexing that is simply out of this world. If you enjoyed stepping into the world of the ultra-rich, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe for more mind-blowing luxury content. See you in the next one.